Good afternoon, friends and family. I discovered a product today in the Indonesian supermarkets that I felt could no longer be hidden to the American public. It is Cap Panda bird nest flavored drinks. I have not tried this yet. This is going to be my first trial. If you ask me to describe it initially, the first words that pop into my mind are somewhere between like old couch cushion and baby diaper at the two ends of the spectrum. I'm not expecting anything much better than that. So, without further ado,
What's with the animals?
they're just souvenirs in foreground.
Oh. They're not your spirit animals?
Well, yeah, that too.
Okay.
So, let's give it a shot. Couch cushion is actually a fairly accurate description of the bouquet. I don't know that I'm looking forward to this anymore. All right, here goes. Ooh, damn. Yeah. If you sprinkle, think of like not a new couch cushion, like something with a little age to it, like your grandma's couch cushion, that couch in college, sitting out on the front porch. If you sprinkled some sugar on that, maybe let it rain on it a little bit, and then squeeze the cushion. That's roughly.
What is this bird nest thing? What do you mean bird nest?
So it's a Chinese delicacy, and they grow a lot of birds' nests here. They have man-made birds' nesting areas, and they take the bird's nest. It's actually made out of edible nest swiftlet spit that solidifies, and they make the nest out of it. And those are harvested, and apparently they...
Delicious.
Should
You
I-
always have to have two tastes
you have
to
have two
get a
tastes.
true...
Alright. Well, the sugar came through a little bit more than the couch cushion rainwater combination.
Should we try
So-
it?
Sure.
Mm.
Bird's nest is on the other side.
Oh. Hmm. Mm. Oh.
So, there's the review of the product that you've all been missing out on. I am going to go find something to get that flavor out of my mouth with. And cheers.